Welcome! Today, we're diving into the Blink Outdoor 4 wireless smart security camera, hailed as one of the most affordable and reliable home security cameras for 2026. If you're looking for peace of mind without breaking the bank, the Blink Outdoor 4 is the perfect solution for complete home monitoring. This wireless outdoor camera is designed for simple, effective, and long-lasting security, making it a top contender in the smart home market. Discover why the Blink Outdoor 4 offers the best balance of value and reliability for protecting your home this year. One of the standout features is its incredible battery performance, minimizing maintenance and maximizing coverage. It achieves up to 2 years of battery life, thanks to the included AA Energizer lithium batteries and the Blink Sync module core. This means around-the-clock peace of mind for you, without the hassle of frequent battery recharging. The Blink app is your command center for complete home monitoring, keeping you connected wherever you are. Enjoy crystal clear 1080p HD live view during the day and reliable infrared night vision after dark. With crisp two-way audio, you can see and speak directly to visitors or deter unwanted guests right from the Blink app. The Blink Outdoor 4 steps up security with advanced detection capabilities to keep you informed faster. The enhanced dual-zone motion detection sends alerts faster to your smartphone, minimizing lag time when it matters most. For even smarter notifications, person detection is available, requiring an optional Blink subscription plan. Manage your footage securely and integrate your camera into your smart home ecosystem effortlessly. Securely save your footage in the cloud with a free 30-day Blink trial, or opt for local backup using compatible modules and storage devices sold separately. The system is fully Alexa compatible, allowing you to view multiple cameras, arm/disarm the system, and control features using simple voice commands. Let's review everything included in the package, ensuring you have all the tools for a swift setup. Your package includes 3 Blink Outdoor 4 cameras, 1 Sync module core, 6 AA batteries, 3 mounting kits, 1 USB-C cable, and 1 power adapter. Everything you need is included for quick and easy installation, getting your home secured in no time. Ready to upgrade your home security? Find the Amazon link in the description below to purchase the Blink Outdoor 4 or learn more.